Hello everyone! Welcome to Homemade in Canada. I'm glad and happy with you after a long time. In the meantime, I was unable to do YouTube because my health is not good. I'm still recovering. I realized once again how important health is to this opportunity. I hope you are healthy. Today, I would like to introduce a pretty ribbon bread. The combination of cream cheese and red bean paste in soft bread will give you a taste of the new world of bread. Let's make a ribbon bread with a new shape and special taste. Subscribe, like, and notification alarm are your love. We need flour, sugar, salt, yeast, water, eggs, milk, cream cheese, red bean paste, pusher. Shift flour. Dig a hole, add sugar, and dig another hole and add salt. Cover them and mix it. Warm the milk in the microwave for 50 minutes, add yeast and stir. Pour milk over flour and mix. Break the egg, knead it evenly. Take it out of the bowl and knead it until gluten is formed. Spread the dough widely. Add water and fold it. Knead to absorb the water well. After making the dough round, put it in a bowl, wrap it, and ferment it in a warm place for 1 hour. Take out the well-fermented dough. Knead it. Divide it into 8 pieces. And rest for 15 minutes. Mix red bean paste and cream cheese to your liking. Push the dough with a pusher and cut the ribbon bundle from the middle part with a knife. And put the red bean cream cheese on both sides of the ribbon to make a ribbon shape well. spread the cooking oil in the oven container and put in leaven bread for 40 minutes to ferment again. Separate the egg yolk and white. Mix the egg yolk with a little milk and apply evenly on the leaven. Bake in oven for 20 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. It is pretty and delicious leaven bread and completion. I'm going to try pretty leaven bread. What it tastes like. Soft bread inside, cheese and red bean paste. 너무 맛있어요. Make sure to remember homemade in Canada that makes pretty and delicious bread. Do you like a leaven bread in homemade in Canada? I wanna introduce delicious and new bread to you. I wanna make precious memories in a special Laura homemade bread. Try making your own bread that you cannot meet at the bakery. Thank you so much. Have a healthy and happy time and see you again. Bye.